What's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for y'all. So, I'm working on this denim outfit. And down the legs on this one, as you can see, and down the legs on the other one. Of course. Oh, that's all upside down. Bada bing. SWT6IX. It's gonna be dope. So, in order to accomplish that, I took a slither of my hardboard that was cut off when I had it trimmed down. As you can see, there's the hardboard right there behind the press. So the pieces that they sliced off for me at Home Depot, I just kept the side pieces. In my mind, as I saw them being cut, I was like, man, that's going to be perfect for this purpose. You know what I mean? To do sleeves. So I slide it inside the sleeve, which gives myself a nice flat surface to work with. It also keeps the garment straight. And of course, just like a shirt, we want to press it to get that moisture out, knock any wrinkles out, flatten it, give us that smooth surface to work with. Now over here, I have my, over here, let me show y'all. Alright, so here I have my rhinestone template. I already brushed it into the template and picked it up with the tape. So I'm just laying it back onto the backing paper. I'm flattening it down, smoothing it out. So that way I can take my trusty scissors and I can create my slits, my sides, my rhinestone sides. I already measured it and sized up the template in my design software so that I know it'll fit. Should take 4 of them to go down the sleeve. Start here, the first one. Bada boom, bada bing. Ooh. Make sure. Oh. Oh. Well, it actually only takes 3. We're gonna just get this first part down real quick though. Since this is the most difficult. I might even grab a pressing pillow, like so. And actually slide the pressing pillow up under there because there's a big seam right there, thick seam. Let's just get the pressing pillow in there. Let's get it down one more time. Lock it in, lock it in. Y'all like my shirt though? Check it out. Y'all know Okay, I see it's got some special effects. Dope boy magic. Alright, let's get this tape off of here. Voila! Now let's get the other pieces down. Use that again, that's still pretty new. Slide that pillow down just a little bit. Press it in, press it in. Extra stone right here. Pick that right off. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's go ahead and slide that pressing pillow all the way down to the edge. Come on, little fella. Looks good to me. Press it in, press it in. Come on, come on. Gonna just, place this right here on the good old wall. Alright, that sleeve is done. As y'all can see, that sleeve is complete. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, still got that pressing pillow in there. That was hot. Alright, so check this out. I just want to show y'all the sleeve. Yeah. I done lost that much weight, this ain't even mine. But what's this, a medium? If I get me one, I'm gonna have to need a large, because that fit just right. Almost. So now, of course, let's slide this back in and proceed on to the next sleeve. Oh, come on. Get in there. Alright. I'm just going to let this rest here because I haven't brushed in the other template yet. I should have brushed in one template, picked it up, brushed in the other template, but you know, can't say I was being lazy, but I was ready to get the video started. So I'll be right back, y'all. Well, actually, I just decided to bring y'all over here with me because we can just brush these in real swiftly, nice and quickly. Got the template here. All right. Dump in some stones. That's not quite enough, so I'll dump in some more. Let's just go ahead and flood it real good. Now I got this big one here. Then I got the small one. So let's try this big one. I see Matt Vassallo use the big one. He swears by it. We're gonna try this big one. I really don't like it. It feels like it be popping the stones out of circles. I feel like I can control the smaller one better. To each his own, I guess. You know, when it comes to anybody that's been doing anything longer, then, you know, they obviously got some type of perfection down by now, you know, to where they make it look easy. See, that big one is pulling the stones out the circles. And with this little one, I can use the tip of it and just tap it right in there. Then I can turn it at an angle and brush the excess stones away easy. I tilt it just like this, just at a little angle. I'm able to actually get in between those stones and brush out the excess ones. A little easier if you ask me. Of course, some stones have like static shock, I guess. They have static on them. And you will actually see one stone pull another stone out of the hole via static shock. I don't know how that happens to stones, but trust me, it's happened to a few of my stones. Maybe it's the way the stones are made, maybe. Every time I try to put the bucket down, I see another one that's lingering inside the design. And you know, I want my designs to be perfect. Not an extra stone, not a missing something. I like to smoothly brush over the entire design. Make sure got them all up. And look. Got them all. Alright, let's go back over to the heat press.